Dynam Waco at probably 7:30 on Thursday, July the 25th. The windsock is about 13 miles an hour from the south with rain coming. First flight today. So this is pretty windy, guys. But this is a classic high wing load biplane. So look at my throttle position. I'm at less than 50%. Did I set my timer? Yeah. Okay, so let's see if I can get a low flight here. Coming in low. Coming in low, boys! Look at the lights on the wing.
Nice flash.
Yeah, so I put these lights, the extra lights. It comes with lights on the wing lower leading edge. You'll see them here, maybe. Okay, those come. But I replaced them with better ones, stronger ones. Then I put the flashing lights underneath. You see those?
Yeah.
Great. And then I put the wingtips on. Oh my goodness.
Getting kind of gusty.
Yeah. Okay, so I think what I'm going to try to do. Let's see if I can land it. It took off by itself! It did. Okay, try. Shoot! Come on, baby. Give me a pocket. Give me a pocket. Give me a pocket. Nope. 3 minutes. Okay, 3 minutes left. Okay, now I'm gonna do this.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Down, 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 down. Off, 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 off. I gotta go hold it down. Yeah. Stick that thing. Crazy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Now last year, I'd have panicked, I'd have been crying. I'd have crashed this thing in 1,000 pieces. I'd been cussing at God and everything else. And then had to go home and pray that Catherine didn't hear me cussing over here. So now you see when that wind kicks up,
Yeah, Bronco.
really affects it because we're so light. But it can be done. I don't recommend it.
But, you know, sometimes you get caught out and you have to be able to get it home.
That's it. So the simulator is key. So key. All right, so now time for the F-22.
Oh, sweet. Bring that thing back.
Did I get that? Oh, I did!